We are pleased to show you the 2019 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you'll want to take a look at, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.